Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to play bench boost on Fantasy Premier League. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to play bench boost in Premier League, first what you need to do is log into your account. And once you have logged into your account, tap on the fantasy icon on the center bottom of the screen. And once you're here, all you gotta do is tap on pick team. And then here you'll have an option that says bench boost, free hit and triple captain. Now all you gotta do is tap on bench boost, and what this does is playing the FPL. Bench boost means the points scored from your bench players are included in your total points scored for that game week. Bench boost in Fantasy Premier League is a great opportunity to maximize your points on a given game. Like the other chips in FPL, the timing of bench boost will determine how successful its deployment turns out to be. A bench boost can only be played once during a season and is only active for one game week. So to play, tap on the play, and once you do that, as you can see, bench boost has been active. Now all you gotta do is tap on confirm, and then the bench boost will be activated, and that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.